Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and to this video we're going to talk about how to customize your TikTok profile video. So let's get started. As a first step, go to your profile by tap here at the bottom, then click on three line at the top right and choose settings and privacy. From here, choose content preference and tap on manage topic. From here, you can organize your content as you wish. For example, we need more video about creative arts and we need less video about dance, more video about beauty, more video about food and drinks, and we have a lot of options. You can organize as you want. And once you're done, tap on save at the top right. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.